Hey guys, if Gemini is not showing in Chrome, let's fix that. So, first, the biggest reason Gemini doesn't show is because Chrome is outdated. So, Gemini integration only works on newer versions of Chrome. So, open Chrome and tap on the three dots in the top right. Scroll down to Help, then go to About Chrome. So, once you click that, make sure your browser updates to the latest version. Next, confirm that you're signed in into your Google account. So, Gemini features won't appear if Chrome is running without an active Google login. So, tap your profile icon and sign in with the Gmail account where Gemini is available. After that, open Chrome settings and look for the AI or search engine. So, on support accounts, you should see chat with Gemini or Ask Gemini. So if this is turned off, Gemini won't appear when searching. Another important thing is to check your region. So Gemini in Chrome is still rolling out, which means some users won't see it immediately, even after updating. So if your Google account doesn't yet support the feature, Chrome simply won't display the Gemini shortcut. You should also make sure Gemini itself is activated on your Google account. So open Google Gemini in a browser tab and sign in and accept any prompts or permissions. Sometimes Chrome won't show the integration until Gemini has been opened at least once. Now go back to Chrome's address bar and type the @ symbol. If Gemini is enabled, you should see a chat with Gemini or Ask Gemini option, so it should appear in the drop down. So select it, type your question, and Chrome will redirect you straight into Gemini with your prompt. If you don't still see it, try restarting Chrome completely or signing out and back into your Google account. So those two quick refreshes often force the feature to load. So click on X right here to completely close the browser and reopen it and sign back in if needed and see if that solves your problem. And that's basically it. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe.